Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day because today we are going to be learning about Annuola. Annuola. We request that you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
So today we learn about your family, and your entire family is called Annuola. Go on.
Annuola.
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 So that is your family tree, from your grandparents to your father to your uncle to your cousin to your whoever. So if you want to ask someone to tell you their family tree, you say Annuola ni en nga.
Annuola ni en nga.
Annuola ni en nga.
Annuola ni en nga.
So that is your family tree. And you'll start with your
Quaro.
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 Quaro is your grandfather. Quaro. So grandfather, great grandfather, Quaro. Say Quaro.
Quaro.
Then
Dayo.
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 Dayo is your grandma. Grandmother, great grandmother, Dayo. Okay?
Jaduong. Quara.
Now, your wife's father is called Jaduong. Jaduong. While your husband's father is called Quara. Quara. So, when I'm calling mommy's, mommy is my wife. So, when I'm calling her father, I call the father Jaduong. But when she's calling my father, she says Quara. Got it? Good.
So if you're calling mom's daddy, you call him Jaduong.
Jaduong. And she calls my daddy Quara. No, Quara, yes, Quara. And your wife's mother is called Maro. While your husband's mother is called Wonot. Say Maro.
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 So I'll call mommy's mom Maro. And she'll call my mother Wonot.
Wonot.
Wonot, correct. Then brother-in-law or sister-in-law is called
Yuoro.
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 Brother-in-law is called Yuoro. And this word has been adapted, I think, from Swahili.
Semeji.
Semeji. You've heard people call each other Semeji? Yes. So your brother-in-law is called Yuora. So you say Yuora.
Yuora.
Yes. Yuora would be your brother-in-law or your sister-in-law. Some people say Semeji. Semeji. Then your stepmother.
Mama Martin.
And the other one?
Mama Maduong.
Now, in the Luo setup, there used to be a first wife, second wife, third wife, and fourth wife. So if you had, if I had like 4 wives, then the wife who is the first wife in the family becomes Mama Maduong. So that's how she's called everywhere. You call her Mama Maduong. And the last wife is called Mama Martin. So Mama Maduong and Mama Martin. Did you say that? Again? Say again.
Mama Martin. Mama Maduong.
Good. Your stepsisters are called?
Nyamin Mabate.
Nyamin Mabate. Nyamin Mabate. Nyamin Ma?
Bate.
Bate. So your stepfather, your stepmother, your stepbrother will be all what?
mabate. Won mabate. Min mabate. Owadwa mabate.
So it's all there. Won mabate, that's stepfather. Min mabate, stepmom. Owadwa mabate, brother or stepsister. Owadwa mabate.
Nera.
And
Waya.
Nera. Nera. That's your uncle is called Nera. And your aunt is called Waya. Waya. Not Waya. Waya.
Waya.
Good. Your father is called?
Wonwa.
And your mother?
Minwa.
Wonwa. Father and Minwa. Mom. Wonwa and Minwa. Now, let's look at the relatives coming from your what? Your uncle's side. Now, for me, any female girl from my maternal uncle, I call that Nyaner. Nyanera. Nyanera. That any girl from my uncle's side is called Nyanera. Say Nyanera.
Nyanera.
And any girl from my maternal aunt's side is called Nyamin.
Nyamin.
So, like Chichi. You call Chichi Nyamin.
Nyamin.
While you call, if the other Nani? Sean. No, Sean is no, Sean is Nyamera. But Chichi is Nyanera. And then if Omondi will have children, hey Omondi, have children. If you'll have children, then you'll call them
Nyamin.
Yeah. You'll call them what? Nyaner.
Nyaner.
And then Chichi is Nyamin. Okay? Hey Omondi, fanya haraka. Then sisters, daughters,
Nyar Nyamera.
Nyar Nyamera. Nyar Nyamera. So mommy is calling Chichi Nyar Nyamera. So Nyar is just daughter. Nyamera is my sister. So this the daughter of my sister. Nyar Nyamera. And she'll call Sean what?
Nyar Owadwa.
No. If it is a boy, if it is the daughter of a boy, it's called Nyar Owadwa. That is the daughter of a boy. The daughter of your brother is called Nyar Owadwa. Then the son of your sister is called
Wod Nyamera.
Wod Nyamera. The son of your sister is called Wod Nyamera. Wod Nyamera. And the son of your brother is called
Wod Owadwa.
Wod Owadwa. Wod Owadwa. And finally, males from your mother's side. Males from your mother's side are called
Nyakeu or Keo.
Nyakeu. Say Nyakeu.
Nyakeu.
Or Okeu.
Okeo.
Sometimes we say Okewa.
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 And those are your family. Wind it up. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Hit that bell! You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon as Luo English Dictionary. And from my end, Porito.